After 60, muscle loss doesn't knock on the door. It quietly walks in and steals your strength. What if I told you the real reason seniors lose independence isn't age, it's hidden muscle decline? One silent condition after 60 increases fall risk, fracture risk, and hospital visits, and most people don't even know they have it. The difference between walking confidently at 75 and needing support is muscle. If you are over 60, this information could protect your legs, your balance, and your independence. Weakness is not a normal part of aging, it is a preventable biological process. Most seniors focus on blood pressure and sugar, but ignore the one system that keeps them standing. Every year after 60, your muscles are shrinking unless you actively stop it. Hi everyone, and welcome. My name is Sharik, and this is Health for You, a channel dedicated to protecting the health, strength, and independence of adults over 60. On this channel, we focus on science-backed nutrition, preventative health strategies, aging with strength and dignity, and reducing hospital visits and medical dependency. Our mission is simple: to help you live longer, but more importantly, live stronger. Every video here is designed specifically for seniors who want clear, medically grounded guidance without confusion or exaggeration. Because after 60, small daily decisions make a massive difference. And today's topic could protect your mobility for years to come. So stay with me. Your strength matters. Your independence matters. And here at Health for You, your health always comes first. Before we begin, let's clearly understand what this video is about and why it may be one of the most important health messages you hear after age 60. The main health problem we are addressing today is sarcopenia, the silent progressive loss of muscle mass and strength that accelerates after the age of 60. The main promised solution is one cheap, widely available food that research shows can significantly stimulate muscle rebuilding and improve strength even in older adults. Why is this dangerous? Because muscle is not just about lifting weights. Muscle protects you from falls, fractures, hospitalization, disability, and loss of independence. After 60, muscle loss can progress silently. No pain, no warning, until one day, standing up becomes difficult, stairs feel impossible, and balance begins to fail. But the good news is, your body can still rebuild strength if you give it the right signal. And today, we will talk about that signal. Here is a shocking truth. After age 60, adults lose 3 to 8% of muscle mass per decade, and this rate accelerates after 70. Even more alarming, low muscle mass increases fall risk by up to 2.5 times, hospitalization risk by nearly 60%, mortality risk significantly in seniors. And here's the silent danger. Most seniors don't notice muscle loss until it's already severe. You may think, I walk daily, I eat normal food, I feel okay. But inside your body, muscle fibers are shrinking. And without intervention, the loss continues. But what if I told you that one inexpensive food available in almost every grocery store can dramatically stimulate muscle protein synthesis and help rebuild strength? Stay with me, because what you learn today could protect your independence for years to come. Over the past 30 years, geriatric physicians and muscle metabolism researchers have treated tens of thousands of patients suffering from age-related muscle decline. One such expert, a board-certified geriatric specialist with over 25 years of clinical experience, has worked with more than 12,000 seniors struggling with weakness and frailty. In structured nutrition-based interventions, patients who followed targeted protein strategies showed up to 3-fold improvement in muscle strength recovery compared to those who did not. This is not guesswork. This is clinically observed, biologically measured improvement. And it starts with understanding what is happening inside your body. Let's simplify the biology. Your muscles are constantly rebuilding themselves. This process is called muscle protein synthesis. When you are young, small amounts of protein trigger strong muscle rebuilding. Your body responds quickly and efficiently. But after 60, something changes. It's called anabolic resistance. This means your muscles no longer respond strongly to small amounts of protein. So even if you are eating normally, your body may not be rebuilding muscle effectively. On top of that, hormone levels decline, physical activity decreases, inflammation increases, and appetite may drop. All of this accelerates muscle breakdown. The result? Weakness, fatigue, balance problems, and eventually, frailty. But here's the critical insight. Older muscles require a stronger nutritional trigger to activate rebuilding. And that trigger comes from a specific amino acid found in high concentration in one affordable food. Mistake number 1. I eat enough, that's enough. Scientific danger. Many seniors eat adequate calories but insufficient high-quality protein. Low protein intake leads to faster muscle shrinkage, slower recovery from illness, increased fall risk. Surprising data. Studies show that up to 40% of adults over 65 do not meet optimal protein intake levels for muscle preservation. Patient story. Mr. Ahmed, age 72, believed he was eating well. Tea, toast, rice, vegetables. But his daily protein intake was less than half of what his muscles required. Within 3 years, he developed noticeable leg weakness and suffered a fall. Mistake number 2. Avoiding protein due to kidney myths. Scientific danger. Many seniors fear protein because of kidney concerns. But in healthy older adults without advanced kidney disease, moderate protein intake is not only safe, it is protective. Surprising data. Clinical reviews show adequate protein intake helps preserve lean mass without harming kidney function in healthy seniors. Patient story. A 68-year-old woman restricted protein for years out of fear. Her muscle mass declined significantly. After proper dietary correction, her grip strength improved within 12 weeks. Mistake number 3. Skipping protein at breakfast. Scientific danger. Muscle protein synthesis needs consistent stimulation. Skipping protein early in the day reduces total daily muscle rebuilding. Research shows evenly distributed protein across meals improves muscle response in older adults. Now let's talk about the food. The one cheap, powerful muscle rebuilding food. Eggs. Eggs are one of the richest natural sources of leucine, the key amino acid that triggers muscle protein synthesis. Scientific benefit. Leucine activates a pathway in muscle cells known as mTOR, the master switch for muscle growth. Without enough leucine, muscle rebuilding slows dramatically. Eggs provide complete, high-quality protein, all essential amino acids, high leucine concentration, vitamin D, plus B12 for nerve support. All critical after 60. Research shows that older adults require approximately 2.5 to 3 grams of leucine per meal to optimally stimulate muscle protein synthesis. 2 to 3 eggs can significantly contribute toward reaching this threshold. Clinical trials demonstrate that seniors increasing high-quality protein intake experienced measurable improvements in muscle strength and walking speed within 12 to 16 weeks. Some intervention groups showed up to 3 times greater strength improvement compared to low-protein groups. Here is what you can do starting tomorrow. 1. Include 2 eggs at breakfast. 2. Pair with a protein source at lunch, lentils, yogurt, fish, or chicken. 3. Aim for protein at every meal. 4. Combine with light resistance activity. Chair squats, wall push-ups, or light dumbbells. Protein provides the building blocks. Movement provides the signal. Together, they rebuild strength. If you are over 60 or caring for someone who is, this information can change lives. Please, like this video to help other seniors find it. Subscribe to this channel dedicated to senior health and longevity. Comment below your age and one health concern you are currently facing. Your engagement helps us create more science-based content designed specifically for adults over 60.